My name is Sahil Negi and I am the head mixologist at MKT The Chanakya. For this Valentine, I am going to make a drink which is called Senorita. So we'll start with the vodka which is infused with the rose, 50 ml of that. After that, some pomegranate molasses which is made up of fresh pomegranates, a bit of lime juice, and then we'll give it a nice stir. And strain it out in a champagne glass. Then we're gonna top it up with some sparkling wine and a nice garnish of some rose petals. And that's your drink, and this is called Senorita. Cheers. Now I'm going to make a cocktail with tequila which is called Paloma Bliss. In this cocktail we'll add some grapefruit juice, 30 ml of this. After that, some hibiscus cordial, 15 ml of lime juice, and some tequila. Now we'll give it a nice shake. We'll strain it out in a glass filled with ice, soda,